gotcha.
Hi, I'm Brian from Tool Logics, and today we're going to be talking about the DC385, which is an 18-volt heavy-duty cordless reciprocating saw. This reciprocating saw provides 2,900 strokes per minute for fast and efficient cutting. It has the keyless blade clamp, which allows you to change the blade quickly and efficiently. The electric brake is built in, also helps prevent blade breakage. It's compact and lightweight tool. It has the anti-slip comfort grip, which provides increased comfort and control while operating. It also has the pivoted adjustable shoe with the open top for maximum visibility. Check out for more information our website, www.toolking.com. Thank you.